Well, in the past couple of weeks, the Supreme Court has ruled on a variety of consequential issues. And now we're in the final stretch of the court's term, still waiting on other important cases on topics like abortion and former President Donald Trump's immunity from prosecution. WENY Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp is live in Washington this evening. Rachel, break down these latest rulings from the court.
Good evening, Renata. So today, in a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court rejected a Republican-led challenge to the Biden administration and their contacts with social media companies when it comes to things like combating misinformation on their social media platforms. So this is being seen as a win for the Biden administration, but with just a handful of days left in the Supreme Court's calendar, the court still has to make some major decisions and rule on some of these cases that could reshape our society. It's been an explosive term for the court, weighing in on consequential cases. So far, they've ruled to keep an abortion pill to stay widely available and allowing former President Donald Trump to stay on the ballot for the upcoming election. For that case, all 9 justices ruled that the states cannot bar Trump from running for another term. That decision would have been a shock to the political landscape for the upcoming elections.
This is a court that is really giving us a new set of laws and a new set of expectations for government officials, and also for people who are in government and out of government, a new set of ideas of what they can challenge and not challenge.
But with days left in the term, the court still has many cases to rule on, including issues on the opioid crisis, social media, homelessness, and decide whether prosecutors can use a federal obstruction statute to charge rioters involved in the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol. But people are anxiously waiting for the court's decision on whether former President Trump is immune from prosecution on charges he tried to overturn the 2020 election.
Pretty obvious that the court is waiting until after the debate to release their decision on presidential immunity, because the court does not like to have the appearance of engaging in a political process or influencing it in any way.
And Renata, the court's decision on that case will determine if Trump will have to face trial in that 2020 election interference case. Trump claims that he is immune from prosecution. And again, the court only has about tomorrow and Friday for the last remaining days in their calendar term. So they really, we do expect some of those opinions to come down either Thursday or Friday. As for that debate that was referenced, we will be watching that debate between Trump and Biden tomorrow night, and we will provide some extensive coverage on that debate. Renata, back to you.